With our flash actions, you can edit your text within seconds using AI. To use them, simply select the part of the text you would like to edit and click on Flash Actions in the toolbar above. You will then have access to various tools to edit the selected text, whether it's summarizing, improving, or continuing a text. With just one click, the chosen command will be executed. By the way, our Flash Actions are also available in ChatFlash. Additionally, you have also the option to define your own commands. Simply click on the plus symbol and specify what you want the AI to do with the selected text. Here I have created, for example, 3 flash actions to demonstrate the possibilities. For instance, you can easily translate a text into another language with just one click. Another option would be to rewrite a text in a specific tone. To demonstrate that briefly, the command could look, for example, more or less like this. When I select it now, my text is going to be rewritten in that particular tonality. Or I could change the format of the text. For this, I have created a flash action with the command transform the text into a post for LinkedIn and can effortlessly convert the content of my blog post into social media content with just one click. These are just 3 examples of how you can use your own flash actions. Your creativity knows no bounds here. Create your own flash actions now and receive tailored texts.